Our age is proud of the progress it has made in man's intellectual development.
You're watching Multimedia Me TV.
Okay, so here's the first desktop I get to see. I will now restart this whole process all over again and we'll do a fresh, clean install. So, from inside Windows Vista, I will now install Windows Vista, only this time I'll do a clean install. So the Vista experiment, wow. All I can say is wow. What a complete and total issue after issue. Everything from one Adobe product I had to have the security enabled to install, the other I had to have it disabled. Drivers not working, all sorts of laundry lists of issues that I'm having with Vista. I mean, crap, Vista's been in beta for 7 years now, I think. So you've had time to, play with the product and grab yourself a copy and, write some freaking drivers. I mean, it's just so frustrating. So completely, wow. I'm pretty much technologically agnostic. I don't care about what I'm using. They're all tools. If the tool works, then it's great. But if the tool doesn't work, then wow. I don't have the time for this. I don't know what I was thinking. I know what I was thinking. I have to keep up. I've got to know what's going on out there. I gotta, I was hoping to try to take advantage of the solutions that are the performance enhances that I've heard rumored that there's chipsets and things that got developed in the process that XP doesn't really take advantage of well, that Vista was supposed to really leverage and utilize, and blah 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 blah, and everything from as soon as I open my Adobe Studio, Macromedia Studio products for Dreamweaver. Actually, Dreamweaver was okay. It was every time I opened the Fireworks,
Vista would go, I don't know what to do, this is wrong, something's wrong with my brain, I have to downgrade your visual experience to be compatible with this program. So my little sliding dynamic 3D windows and all that stuff would turn off.
So we say, bye-bye Vista, we'll see you when you're ready. Oh, and just so you know, that very funny Mac commercial that's out now about the bodyguard standing next to PC trying to talk to the Mac and all this. Do you allow? Mac wants to say hello. Are you ready to say hello? You allow or disallow? Allow. Yeah, I turned that off almost immediately. It was the most annoying feature. And then, of course, I had problems installing Acrobat Reader because you have to have the security level. And I don't get it. But then Adobe Premiere wouldn't install with the security enabled. So my brain hurts. I mean, it's just so painful. It's just so painful. Why? It should be easy. You expect us, and all this stuff I keep hearing about, well, your machine must not be ready to handle Vista. If I've got to go spend $5,000 on a PC to make your software work, forget it! I've read reviews of guys who went out and spent $3-4 on a brand new laptop, brand new desktop, and they're having the same kinds of experience as I am, where things are slow and painful and, security says, would you like to work? Yes, I would like to freaking work, okay? Yeah, stop asking. Yes, I want to run this application I just clicked on. Yes, I want to download this thing I just clicked on the internet. Trying to protect me from myself, and you're protecting me from getting my freaking work done. Wow! Wow. What the wow? What the wow are you wowing? You wowing mother wowers. Wow! I think I've just figured it out. Wow. Without Windows. Because that's the experience I want you to have. A life without Windows. Wow.